Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading indices on the platform. And I'm going to be utilizing one indicator here. So if we click on the indicator icon, the indicator is known as the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator. So when we click on this indicator, we're going to see a green line and a red line. The green line represents a dynamic level of resistance, while the red line represents a dynamic level of support. So if we click on the pencil icon in the indicator, the period setting is set to 2, which is a default setting. So I'm going to keep the default setting for the indicator. And for the candlestick charts, I've set them to 1 minute regular Japanese candles. So each of these candles is 1 minute. And for the trade timer, I've also set the timer to 1 minute. So I'm going to be taking 60-second trades, looking at 1 minute candles while taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the S&P 500 and I just took a sell trade or a put trade. If you notice the candle here, it breaks outside the level of this chaos band line, the red line here. And once it closed below that line, I took a sell trade, suggesting that the price will continue a bearish breakout to the downside. All right. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay. So last few seconds here, the trade pushed downward in our direction. So we won that trade. All right. So let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay. So I'm on the F40 euro pair and I'm looking for this candle to close above the top line of the fractal chaos band. It's pretty close, but if the candle closes, which is in about 5 seconds, if the candle closes above the line, I'm going to take a buy trade. Okay, so I went ahead and took a buy trade in the direction of the candle here, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for that line, waiting for the candle to close outside the upper band of the fractal chaos band. And when it does that, it suggests that there's going to be a bullish movement toward the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, that was another close trade, but we won that trade. All right, so let's pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on the US 100 right now, and the candle just left the range of the chaos band here, and I'm waiting for the candle to close. As soon as the candle closes outside the fractal chaos band line, the lower boundary, I'm going to take a sell trade. All right. So yes, I just took a sell trade here. And like I mentioned, I took the trade because the candle broke below the lower band and closed below that red line here. So I took a sell trade, which suggests that there's a bullish breakout. Excuse me, a bearish breakout to the downside. All right, so let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, that was another close trade, but we won that trade the last few seconds. Okay, so let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on DJI, and there's a bearish breakout to the downside. The candle is outside below the band lines here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a trade here to the downside. Like I mentioned before in the previous trades, I waited for the candle to close outside the band line here, and I took a sell trade. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Wow, okay. That was a solid trade. We won that trade. Okay, so let me pause the video and look for one more trade. Okay, so I'm on the US 100 OTC indice here, and you see this green candle here exited the chaos band line, and so I'm gonna wait for the candle to close. Okay, so I just took a buy trade, suggesting that the price will continue a bullish movement to the upside here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry here. Like I mentioned before, wait for that candle to close outside the chaos band area here. And once it does that, it suggests that there's going to be a bullish breakout to the upside. So let's watch this trade. Okay, it's pushing upward here. Okay, great. So we won that trade. So I'm going to end the session here. If you like the video, please give it a like, a share, a thumbs up. Uh, if you're interested in trading this strategy, I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in my channel description. So yes, thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt. Talk to you in the next video.